Hi everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, almost weekend, February the 25th, 2022. We have here an additional with six extra puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, a 3 stars puzzle. Tectonic with 4 stars, a tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested, so total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 3 of them, half of them I will solve. And those puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. But first, I will solve this 3 stars Sudoku number 4178. And 4178, the printed digits here are 25. 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And in this big square, in this puzzle, no. For 25 printed digits, 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Okay. Okay, so let's get started. So let me scan the puzzle first. We have here 4 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 2 3s. We have here 4 4s. We have here 3 5s, 3 6s, 2 7s, and 1 8, I believe, and 2 9s. Okay, 3 7s here, 3 7s. Okay, so the 1 and the 4s are in majority. So let me see if I can do something with the 1s. Yeah. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 1 should be here. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. One in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Okay. How about the 4 then? The 4, we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So the row B3. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Well. I cannot continue with 1. I need more information. Yeah. Well, we have a 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So on the last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Interesting. 5, 5. 6, 6. I'm scanning. Scanning. 9, 9. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. We see there 2 in this row, so no 2 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 2 should be here. 2, 2. Yeah. 2, 2. Well. 8, 8. Yeah. We have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this row. Well, 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 and a 3 in this big square. So no 8 and a 3 in these two boxes. The 8 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and 3, 8 and 3. Let me mark those two boxes. And the other pair in this row should be the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. So we have a 2 and a 4 in this column. So the other pair in this column should be the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in this column. So no 6 and a 7 in these two boxes. The 6 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 3 and 8. Alright. Then. How about? Yeah. 3 and 8. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square, and one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column. So no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay. Alright. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 7. About these two numbers in this column, for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be 8. 2. Do we have all the 4s? Let me count. 1. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. Oh, wait. Okay. Then. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Okay, so we have a 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. I cannot continue with the 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this row. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Oh, wait. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So we have a wait. Let me see. How about this box in the middle row? Though the missing number here in the middle row is the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then, how about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, and the 7 is missing, 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Okay. Alright, 2 numbers left in the last column. 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3 I see. 8 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Alright. 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 8. Two numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. Not quite a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. 2 stars puzzle. But I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later for the other 2 puzzles. A tectonic one for 4 stars and a binary one. Before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. Analyzing those for more than 4 weeks. And we have here 925, 925, 231, 231, and 687, 687. Here we have 1 pair, the 2. Yeah, the 2 as a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, 1 pair. Well, see you later. Bye-bye for now.